Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how to draw a carved driveway. This is mostly consist of structural elements. So I choose the structural template. So here we have two levels. This is the floor plan, floor slab. This is the floor slab, and we have level one and level two floor slabs. Two floor slabs. This is our reference. So the driveway will start from level one all the way to level two. Okay, we see how to draw that. I'm on level 1 now. I'm going to draw the perimeter beam first. So in this case, I'll be using the in-place family. Okay, we can use the preloaded family, but it, it the connection between the beam and the floor will not be aligned properly if you use the preloaded system family. That is the reason I'm using the model in place. Okay, we see end of the modeling, we will see why I am using this family. Okay, I'll start with the model in place. So this is a structural framing. So I'm choosing the structural framing category. Go structural framing, just a name, ignore it. Okay, I'll using the sublime command to draw the perpendicular, sorry, perimeter beam. Okay, so sublime, sketch the path. So using the curve, I'm choosing maybe 10k, 10 meters. The first beam is on 10 meters. Okay, done. So we are going to draw the first profile. Edit profile, go to the perpendicular views. Okay, in this case we have to draw the rectangle at this location. Yeah, is here. This is the end point. So I choose the beam size as 300 by 600 and it's starting from here, 3 meters above. Okay, so it have to start from here all the way to here. So done. Then profile 2, edit profile. This one can be stopped here. Same 600 by 300. Done. Finish that. Literally we finished that. Okay, we see the beam at 3D. See, start from here, which is profile 1, start from here all the way to 2. So we are going to repeat the process again to do the another one more beam is outside. So repeat again. Oh, structural in place model, structural framing. Okay, name doesn't matter. Same command, sublime. I'm going to draw the sketch using the arc command. Center point I will be stopped at maybe roughly 18k, 18 meters. Yeah, okay, that's fine. So our first profile, height profile, not plane, good, which is the highest part. Okay, so draw the rectangle in this same at this side. Okay, 300 by 600, doesn't matter, we can change that easy to do it this way. Okay, we draw the profile 1 should be at 3 meters elevation, 3 meter. Done. We're going to do the profile 2, then edit the profile, draw the square again, 300 by 600. Okay, done. So it's on low level. Okay, done. Finish it up. finish. Okay, now we can see it in the 3D model. It's nice, right? Yeah, starting from level 1 all the way to level 2. Okay, here is the place, this important place. You can see the level 1 edge and the beam edge is aligned properly. If you use the preloaded structural framing family, we cannot achieve this one. It will be slightly slanting. It won't look nice. So that is the reason I use the in place family. Okay, so we already done the perimeter beam. So now we are going to draw the cross beam. So in this case I am going to use some adaptive components. Okay, so this is to tie up with the exactly on the perimeter beam edges. So how to do that? You go to the create a new adaptive family. I'm going here, create a new adaptive family. I'll be choosing metric generic model adaptive. Okay, just drop a two adaptive points, just simple like that. Then make it an adaptive, draw a spline in between. So it doesn't matter, just like that. Okay, then we can load into our project. Our adaptive is here. Okay, so now you can see why I choose adaptive component is the purpose is this. We can just pick an edge and pick an edge, so our cross beam will be exactly aligned to this line. So how to make the cross beams equally? So here comes the trick. Okay, before we draw this one, we should draw them. I will hide the flow first. It will be more easy. Hide the flows. Okay, flow gone. Okay, so we should for example, in this case I'm going to draw 20 numbers of cross beams. Okay, so or 10 numbers. Okay, we make it small, it's easy to do that. Okay, so I'm going to draw 10 numbers of cross beams. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw a line, reference line. It's something like that. Okay, okay, doesn't matter. Okay, this center point is very important. Okay, the reason is I'm going to array this one as a 20 points, something like this. Okay, so array, I'm going to array. So I select the object, array, array rotationally, don't group it. Okay, just tell how many numbers is that. It's 10 numbers. Place the point in the middle, then at the last point, and tell it is 180 degrees. Wow, we got it. So now we can place the component. Okay, we can go and see the magic of this adaptive component. Okay, we close the view of the floor here as well. Floor off. Okay, so you see when we move this one, it just follows the edge of the just follows the curved edge of the beam. So that is a special thing here. So okay, I will place this one its end. Okay, somewhere here is here. Okay, so I don't need to make some more another 9 numbers, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 numbers. So I just create similar, just draw, go 2 3 4 click it. Sorry, oops, what's happening? 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Oops. Okay, what's happening now? Okay, we go to another view. So for how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 done. It's 8, 1, 9 and the 10. Obviously the 10 should be the end, right? Okay, done. So the rest we need to align to this grading. That is the purpose I draw these reference lines. Okay, this line is a reference. Okay, so I'm going to start to align all these adaptive component to this line. So this is our reference for the cross beams. Okay, so I'm going to align this one, make it multiple alignment, align the points. That is important. SK align the points. Sorry, align points. Align very good. Looks pretty nice. Oh, good. Okay, so we are done. We already align all the cross beams in the curved beam edge. So how it looks like? See, pretty nice, right? Yeah, quite good. So here's the magic I'm going to do. So now all these lines are going to be changed to a cross beam. How to do that? It's very easy. Go to the structural beams and I choose this beam 300 by 500 and I drop it let's say maybe 175, because later I'm going to draw the floor, so I don't want the floor and beam to be clashed. So I just drop it for a certain distance. It can be vary, it depends on your project requirement. So I set the Z value here, and this is my beam. So I'm going to draw the pick. I use the pick line to draw the beams. So see the magic. 1, 2. So yeah, of course this error will become, because which cannot be. So far I didn't find a way to resolve this error. Anyway, we just ignore it. Just ignore. So here is your beam. See, very nice. So now you can delete these things, delete these adaptive components. Select all of this view. Man, cannot me. It's okay. Filters. Okay, done. Delete it. Gone. So your beam is here. So we are going to draw the floor now. Floor. So we need to on the. No, it's not necessary. Okay, we go and draw the floor. Flow, structural flow, and big lines is also easy. Go inside. Can done. So I'm using maybe, okay, it doesn't matter, 200 mm. Okay, done. So now we go to 3D view. Oops, where is my floors? It's off, man. Floors, okay, on. Oops, what's this? Why it happens? Because we draw the floor on a plane, so we are going to hit the points. Okay, we are going to do the shapes. So here's the command to change the elevation of the floor at this point. Okay, so see how it's going. Select the floor, edit this one, select this line, change the elevation. Is 3 meters in this case. See how nice it is. Really cool, huh? Yeah, see, no cross lines, very clean surface. You got it. So you can copy this one, repeat it with another floor, or you can make a round, full round, whatever it is. So this is how I find a way to draw a curved driveway ramp. Quite nice. Okay, then when we coming back to materials, you see this one consists of concrete cast in place gray. Okay, but it's also structural. This is also structural beam, but it's an in place family, right? Okay, So in order to apply the material, you cannot apply here. We can see if you apply here, cast in gray, something like this. Yeah, is this one. If you apply here, it won't reflect it here. So you should apply the material inside the edit mode of the in-place family. You should apply here now. Apply cast in place gray. Done. See, boom, come in. Finish the mode. Same. Edit in place. Apply the material. Cast in place gray. Done. Boom. Everything, even the floor as well. Floor is what is the material? Here is the material. Where is the material? Material. Structural measure, you can be black. Why is it? Okay, it doesn't matter. So you can change from the family. Okay, so this is how I did the RAM. Hope guys I share my knowledge with you too. If you got any question regarding this, just comment. I will reply you.